welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a very delicious and beautiful castle meringue cake. Let's prepare cake sponge first. Ingredients: 90 milliliters of milk, 90 gram butter, 90 gram sugar, 4 eggs, 120 gram dark chocolate, 20 gram cacao, 1 tablespoon baking powder, a cup of flour. Add some sugar to your egg and mix it very well. Later, add your 90 milliliter of milk and 90 gram butter and mix them very well. Now add all your flour and mix it. Later, add your melted dark chocolate and your cacao and mix them very well. As usual, baking powder should be added last, otherwise our cake will not rise. Bake it 150 Celsius degree for 30 minutes. Perfect, our cake is ready now. Now let's prepare meringues for our cake. Ingredients: 3 eggs of white, 30 gram sugar. Add some sugar to egg white and mix them until white. Then prepare your syrup. For syrup, we need 30 ml water, 60 gram sugar. Melt the sugar with the water and cook it on the oven for 10 minutes. Now our syrup is ready. Add your syrup to your egg white and mix very quickly. Put the meringues on the parchment using tablespoon or a pastry bag, and then bake it 120 Celsius degree for an hour. Now it's ready. Now it's time to prepare our filling cream. Ingredients for filling cream: 200 ml of milk, 15 gram cornstarch, 2 egg yolks, 20 gram sugar, 2 tablespoons of flour. Mix all your ingredients. Later, cook them on the oven for 15 minutes. After cooking, put your cream in the fridge for 25 minutes. Now you need to add 50 ml of condensed milk, 100 ml of whipping cream, 80 gram butter, and also 2 tablespoons of cacao or coffee. It's up to you. I prefer cacao. You can also add coffee as well. Now our filling cream is ready. Now take your cake sponge and divide it into two. Take one of them and put some filling cream on it. Later, add some meringues on it. They look so perfect. Later, take another piece of cake sponge and slice them and mix with the filling cream, and we are ready. Put it on the cake sponge. Now put filling cream on the cake sponge and decorate the cake with the meringues. Here we are. Our cake is almost done. Put some chocolate on it. It looks so delicious and beautiful. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this cake adventure, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own baking creations in the comments below. Happy baking! Thank you for watching!